The iPhone 7 goes on sale in a few days, and with it comes another nail in the headphone jack's proverbial coffin. Included in the box you'll find a pair of lightning-tipped AirPods and a Lightning to 3.5mm adapter for your analog headphones. But to hear Apple tell it, the future of music is wireless. That's where the $159 AirPods come in. The company's totally cordless earbuds are slated for an October launch, and they promise elegance, ease of use and great sound. They deliver some of that, but after about a week of testing, they often felt as confusing as they did cool. When you open the packaging for the first time, you're met with a rounded white mass that looks similar to a container of dental floss. That's the charging case, and it's where the AirPods are going to spend most of their time. It's almost completely nondescript, save for a chrome-accented hinge, a lightning port on the bottom and a small button on the back. You'll need that to pair the AirPods for the first time. Side note, you don't need to be an iOS devotee to use these things. They paired just fine with the Galaxy S7 Edge, but all of the fun stuff basically evaporated. All you can do is listen to music and take calls. Speaking of pairing, it's a cinch if you're using the AirPods with iPhones running iOS 10. You'll get an error if you try connecting them to a phone still on iOS 9, but they still ultimately work.